بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Your Excellencies, distinguished guests, esteemed colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, it's an honor to welcome you all to the Global Manufacturing and Industrialization Summit here in Abu Dhabi. This summit is a powerful reminder of our shared mission to transform the future of manufacturing and to embrace innovation responsibly, shaping an industrial sector that is advanced, efficient, and built to thrive for generations to come. Abu Dhabi stands at a pivotal moment of its economic transformation. With the industrial sector at the heart of this journey, we are building resilience, embrace technology, and creating a future-ready economy. With the launch of the Abu Dhabi Industrial Strategy in June 2022, we set out with a bold ambition to double the manufacturing sector's contribution to our GDP. The impact of this strategy is already evident. Since the strategy's introduction, Abu Dhabi industrial GDP has risen significantly from AED 83 billion in 2022 to AED 101 billion by the end of 2023. Further, AED 21 billion in government tenders were awarded to companies with local content certificate as of March 2024. A 33% increase from the previous year, supporting local production and strengthening our supply chains. Beyond the numbers, this growth is the result of a dedicated commitment to boosting non-oil GDP, advancing the knowledge economy, and championing innovation. These efforts are accelerated by Abu Dhabi's adoption of advanced technologies as a key catalyst powering the industrial sector growth. Through Industry 4.0 initiatives, Abu Dhabi is becoming a global leader in smart manufacturing. Digital twins, AI-powered systems, and automated supply chains are not just buzzwords, but the reality of our industries. These technologies are enabling us to optimize operations, elevate productivity, and foster safer workplaces, paving the way for a promising future. But we also recognize that for technology to truly benefit our industries, it must be implemented with intention, prioritizing safety at every step. This approach to technology is driving our industrial safety forward in two critical ways. First, we are harnessing technology to create safer workplaces by reducing human error and optimizing operations. Tools like predictive analytics and smart monitoring systems allow us to anticipate risks and mitigate them before they escalate. This ensures that employees are protected while operational disruptions are minimized. Secondly, we are committed to deploying these technologies responsibly. Every innovation implemented must comply with the highest safety standards, ensuring that new technologies are adopted with foresight and risk management in mind. In Abu Dhabi, we are unlocking the full potential of these transformative solutions, implementing them not only as a powerful tool for productivity, but to embed safety as a cornerstone of our industrial evolution. Our journey towards industrial excellence wouldn't be possible without collaboration. The progress we've made is a collective achievement driven by strong partnership and a shared commitment to innovation, safety, and growth. Abu Dhabi invites you all, leaders, innovators, and investors, to join us in this vision because meaningful partnerships are what make this progress possible. On behalf of the Abu Dhabi Investment Office and the Department of Economic Development, I thank the organizer of GMIS and all attendees for your presence here today and for your dedication to this vision. Together, we can do more than imagine the industries of the future. We can build them today, right here in Abu Dhabi. Thank you.